Hello everyone, I'm Maxine Krishnakur. I'm currently pursuing my BTech IT at Sri Ramakrishna Institute College, and I'm here to share my experience with eBox. So, what actually eBox taught me was from the scratch, I was just a beginner in C, and I just know the topics which was not crystal clear. So now I learned everything from the scratch to the advanced or intermediate level I can see. So the thing is, what eBox teaches us is not only just describing what actually the thing is, like it won't even go for theoretical way, and we have all the concepts clear with visualization things. So my mentor thought in a way that everyone can understand, even the people who doesn't have prior background of C can understand in such a way that he cleared the concepts in a visualization way so that we can understand how actually the C, how actually the code works, and how actually the memory also works in C. So this made me to realize the concepts from the earlier, and now I have got a clear idea of what the concept is. And the eBox platform is very useful where you can't even copy paste. The thing is, you can't even copy paste anything. So this makes you think, you have to think and you have to work on it, and you can't even do some any other things like other stuffs, like you can't copy paste and you can't even go for some other things. You can't use your own functions. Here they'll be having the predefined set of functions that you have to use as a constraint, and you have to go and you have to do everything. So whatever the mentor taught on the morning sessions, we have to apply in the afternoon sessions. So that means you have both theory knowledge and practical knowledge you have gained. So from this, we can take a lot of things, like you can morning you may be clear with some topics, and evening you can get some confused in the topics. Again, you can revise the things, and we even have this guided session where you can even watch the tutorials of your session, and you can go through those topics if you're not understood clearly. And here you can solve the things. You will be having a hidden test cases where you have to think, then you have to go and you have to solve the cases all through. So this is the best platform I have ever used. So I can say that you can, from the beginners to the advanced, we can practice in eBox, and our mentor guided us so well. So this is the thing I got the feedback from eBox. So thank you.